guys, so today in this video we are going to talk about Draize network, the next generation gateway to intelligent NFT ownership. Draize is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of NFTs by combining cutting-edge blockchain technology with AI. This platform offers a seamless and smart experience for NFT enthusiasts, allowing them to interact with and on NFT across multiple blockchains. Whether you are new to NFTs or an experienced collector, Draize ensures you get the most out of your digital assets. You can explore the future of digital ownership with Draize. So here we are to the website of the project. Draize is your gateway to the cutting-edge world of NFT ownership across multiple blockchain and AI. So here we have option to the pre-sale and the passport. You have to check that 400k plus a community and 10 million plus NFTs are minted. Then you can see Draize network is on 18 plus chain as well. Okay, so here we have the token pre-sale section, as currently they are in their pre-sale phase. So you can buy from their pre-sale right now, and when their pre-sale will end, you will be able to stake your token and earn. So here we have option to connect wallet. You have to simply connect your wallet, enter the quantity and simply buy the token. Here we can see 38 days are left for the pre-sale and then they will end their pre-sale. So all you have to do is to connect your wallet and claim for Ethereum and simply buy the token. But first you must be able to know more about the project, that what exactly is this. Here we have some of the NFTs that crafted smoothly all around this week. So you can check out the NFT collection here. We have NFT collection of this project from here of this week. You can discover your favorite NFTs on here, like all of the options are mentioned here. You are going to select the your favorite NFT collection from here. And then get started and earn rewards. First of all, you have to connect your wallet. You can connect your wallet to start exploring opportunities. You can collect airdrops, stake and begin to journey. Then you have to stake Draize ID, stake their native token to earn rewards, and then earn rewards and participate. You can earn exclusive reward through staking, join quest and spin to win for additional benefits. So in this way, you can get started and earn rewards. And then here we have all the social links. You have to simply follow them on Twitter, Telegram, etc. to know more about the project. And if you want to stay in touch with the team, you should definitely join their Telegram group to stay in touch with the team and other members of the project. And here we are redirected to the Twitter link. You have to simply follow them on Twitter to check the recent tweets, recent details of the project. This is the next generation cutting edge world of NFT ownership across multiple blockchain. Here we have all the recent tweets, recent details of the project. So it's better to join the social channels. You have to simply follow them on Twitter to know exactly that what project brings to you and what project get benefits for you. So all you have to do is to follow them on Gameplay, the ultimate football manager game that lets you earn, compete and win. You can connect your wallet, play exciting football matches and rise to the top of the leaderboard on the base minute. With Senra, every match you play brings you closer to rewards and every victory earns you valuable points. So here we have details of this project. It is not just about winning matches, it is about building your football empire in a dynamic digital world. Manage your team, complete daily tasks and prove your skills on the global stage with Senra testnets. Here you are going to simply play and earn win. We have connect your wallet. You can connect MetaMask or EVM wallet. Your wallet is your identity on Senra. Then you have to play matches and earn and claim. Here we have option to earn points every day and then boost your energy. You have to boost your energy and simply you have to connect your wallet and simply play this gameplay. So here we have details of their plays, task, etc. Everything we have on this. Guys, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link in my description, but let me remind you once again that none of any project is financially advised by me. Take your time, check the project by yourself and then you'll be able to invest in it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like more videos, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell to get notified about my upcoming video. Thank you.